welcome back to our Jolif Craft Shop channel. You're all waiting to see what's in the BFF. If you don't want to see and you want to wait for the surprise when you receive your parcel through the post, then I'd suggest stop watching now. So I'm going to show you everything that you will get in the May edition of our BFF. Wait a minute, we don't want to show that one yet, do we? This is my little girl Fair. She wants to help me today, don't you? Yeah?
Yeah.
So should we show everybody the fabrics? We always include full-size fabrics with all your BFFs. You will either receive a double sheet of fabric felt and 4 other fabrics, or you'll receive 4 fabrics and 2 single sheets of fabric felt. It will all tie together in one theme. We try and put things together really carefully to make sure they work well together. This month's theme is a jungle tropical sort of feel. Some of you have already seen the bow holder that we've created for the BFF. We shared it on our Instagram and our Facebook. So yeah, the fabrics you will receive in, wait a minute sweetheart, the fabrics you will receive in this month's BFF are, you'll get 3 sheets of glitter.
Hi.
You saying hello to everybody?
Hi.
You'll receive 3 sheets of glitter. The first is a fine rose gold glitter, again full size. You'll receive a flamingo pink fine glitter. It's a gorgeous colour, beautiful for summer. And you'll also receive a chunky jade glitter. This is really popular already from those of you who purchased from our store. And you will see why we chose these 3 glitters, because I'll show you the 2 fabric felts you'll receive. The first one is this one. That's the wrong way, sweetheart. Can you show everyone? There's the first fabric felt you receive. Like I've already said, it's full size, 20 by 30 centimetre sheet. And you'll also receive this one, as beautifully shown by Fern. These work well together, they look beautiful. They match really nice, same colour scheme as with the glitters. And as you've probably noticed, there's something missing, which is our last piece of fabric, and in this month you'll receive this felt. Some people already work with felt. We offer 2 types in our store, the rayon and the viscose. And some of you are a bit... Is it nice and soft? And some of you are a bit hesitant to try it with your bows, so this is a good opportunity to give it a go. And again, it matches wonderfully with all the other fabrics you'll receive. All of our BFFs come with a product that's particularly special, not that one. Like I've already said, you will receive our brand new Fur Baby bow holder. These are create your own, so with that you will receive all the parts you will need, and you can put that together yourself. So you receive the body and the feet, the ribbon and the marabou fur, and again the paws to go on the front of there. They're really easy to put together. We do plan to do a video to show you how we put them together, because there's a special technique that we like to use to ensure that they're extra secure and they're not going to fall apart when you start clipping bows to the tails. We will hopefully do that video really soon. We're just extremely busy at the moment with orders. As you can see, Fern's showing you, you'll also receive some tulle in your BFF. It's not for around your neck.
It's like a scarf.
Is it like a scarf? Yeah, so you'll receive a piece of tulle, and we'll also include this bead trim in a lovely jade colour to match your fabrics. They're just nice to embellish your crafts with, and you can give them a try if you've never tried them before. And last but not least, we will include these vinyls. Let me check them upside down. Nope. You'll include these 2 vinyls which you can iron onto a multitude of fabrics. We've got Wild Child, as inspired by Fern, and we've got Jungle Princess. So yeah, there's lots of goodies there for you to work with. As always, it's £11, absolute bargain. It's already on the verge of selling out. We've currently got 2 BFFs left, I'm not sure if that'll still be the case by the time I've uploaded this video to YouTube and shared it. However, if you was one of the lucky ones to get one of the BFFs this month, as always, you can enter our competition, which will enable you to be in with a chance of winning next month's BFF. All you have to do is take a picture or write a review, do a video even, that'd be great to see, of the BFF or of the things you make with the BFF. Share it to social media, so either our Facebook page, Jolif the Craft Shop, or hashtag Jolif BFF on Instagram and drop a tag on that as well. We will select a winner in a couple of weeks, and that winner will receive the BFF honours. Customers won't receive an ice cream van, courtesy of Fern. That's yours. Anyways,
I'm showing it to them.
You've shown it to everybody?
Yeah.
Your ice cream van. Anyways, thank you for watching our little video. I hope you're excited to receive your BFF, and I will speak to you again soon. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say ta-ta for now.
Tissa for now.